Ciao everyone, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco and this is the first video of a series I think I will call Beatspot Answers, which is a series in which I try answering some questions I find online and some questions below your video or below the Instagram posts, whatever. So let's dive into it. So, mixing in low volume. Hey guys, wishing to respectfully request your help on the following 5 questions, please and thank you. Should we mix in low conservative volume levels? Yes, you should, at least for most of the time. Number 2, how may I learn how to properly mix on low volume? By continuous practice? Yeah, that's it. Just try lowering the volume as much as you can, like discern the elements in the mix. Personally, with my Duet Apogee, I keep my listening volume, my headphone volume at minus 30 dB, which is already quite a bit high for me, but I try shifting between minus 30, minus 30 dB. Then, number 3, will this truly help protect my hearing in the long term? Yes, because the 2 major causes of hearing loss are prolonged exposure to high volume and like some other accidents, like hearing a gunshot from a close position or something like that, which are like traumas and that can hurt damage the eardrum. But the prolonged exposure to high volumes will mostly damage your hearing of the high frequencies, which is already a natural process, because as you get older you will perceive higher frequencies, the very top end, less and less. Then number 4, will this truly help me improve my mixes? Something mixed on low volume will most definitely sound incredible when loud. Yes, so the magic generally is in the mid-range, and if you mix at low volume, you will have a higher focus on the mid-range. So if you get that range right, I mean, all the process is kind of downhill from there. And yeah, you can just switch volumes every now and then if you want to have more accuracy on the low end, on the very high end. Especially it depends on your kind of monitoring system, if you have some monitors, if you have headphones, and also which model of headphones or monitors you have, and also if you have like something like Sonarworks reference or an acoustically treated room. So yeah, it will help improve your mixes, definitely, and just do a mixture of both things, and also test on your car and other systems, so you have different ways to listen to your music, because all your listeners won't listen to your music solely on high-end headphones or high-end monitors or whatever you're using. There are many scenarios. Then number 5, do you actually mix like these low conservative volume levels? Yes, as I said, I mix at something between minus 30, minus 30, 45 dB. And personally, I also do some checks at minus 20, minus 50 dB. And I also have a sub-pack to have a better perception of what the bass is actually doing. I'm using the Sennheiser HD 650 with Sonarworks reference, which makes them sound fairly flat, not perfectly, but fairly flat. And the sub-pack allows me to have like the feel of the bass on the body. So this is it for this video. Hope you find these answers helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will try replying them, or if you have any other kind of question, feel free to ask and I will try making a video about it. So see you in the next one.